Hello, my name is Christine G, and I am one of the course mentors for the Introduction to Probability and Statistics course. Right now we have several course codes, and CJC1 and C459 are undergraduate courses, and CJC2 is a graduate course. They are all completely the same. Each one covers 6 competencies and represents 3 CUs. The average completion time is 6 weeks, and the learning resource is Acrobatique. As far as assessment preparation, please, have your students work through the modules before taking the pre-assessment. If they do have previous classes in probability and statistics, definitely they should get a shot at the pre-assessment early on. But we like to use the pre-assessment as a diagnostic tool and not as a study guide. So to emphasize the modules that students should review. Okay. And then as far as assessment preparation, we do have StatCrunch activity outputs in the COS. I have a screenshot right here that shows where they would get to those, and they do not have to use the software StatCrunch or Excel. Those are optional. We provide the outputs for them. And then the learning resource, as I mentioned, is Acrobatique, and it has everything in there. It's a full e-course with videos, readings, interactive applications, and checkpoints, which are like quizzes. And students need to access Acrobatique through the course of study or the progress will not be saved. Here is a screenshot of the course of study, and you can see this Launch Course button is underneath the introduction, so easy to access, no registration difficulties. And there are 3 units in Acrobatique: exploring data, producing data, and probability. And each one has 2 to 3 modules inside those units to complete. And as far as steps for completing the modules, we suggest that students read the module, and while doing so, there are these learn by doing activities as well as did I get this, and complete those and take the checkpoints, which are at the ends of modules and midpoints of modules. And if students obtain 80% or better, they have mastered the content. We now have unlimited attempts on these checkpoints, so if a student does score less than 80%, have your student contact the helpline so that we can help them right away. And additional resources, we have cohorts as well as question and answer sessions. And students are welcome to just show up to the Q&As, and then the cohorts, those are sign up. And we recommend students sign up even if they can't attend them, because they'll get the information about the cohort. And then as far as additional resources, please don't have our students wait for an appointment on a calendar. Encourage them to call the math helpline for an instant one-on-one. We'll screen share with the student, go over any problems. It's very helpful, and that way the student doesn't get frustrated and they're not waiting. And we have a team of 16+ course mentors to assist you and our students. And now the students need a calculator. I recommend a scientific calculator, and they don't have to spend a lot of money on it, but something that they're comfortable with. And they can use either a whiteboard, or if they're at home, on online proctoring, and scratch paper is allowed at a proctored site. And for the online whiteboard, WGU provides those for new students, and then they'll need whiteboard, dry eraser, and markers. So then if you have any questions, don't hesitate, call us, Warm Transfer. to our helpline 1761 or email us at ql2@wgu.edu. Thanks so much for listening. I hope it was helpful.